Hello there, welcome back to the Wild Blue Wanderers channel. So last year when we were at the 2023 Sturgis Motorcycle Rally, we happened across these cool little RV trailers. They're a toy hauler and we thought you guys might be interested, so stay tuned, check these out.
Wandering. We are the Wild Blue Wanderers YouTube channel, and we are all about wandering, whether it's on a motorcycle, in a trailer, RV.
Yeah,
great. Your bunk, your speakers. You got your kitchen. I mean, you got a oven, a propane stove, a sink, a microwave, and a hood vent. Your TV's right there. You got your bathroom with a shower. Perfect. And I'm assuming that this is very well insulated since it's meant to be ice fishing house. Refrigerator, ceiling fan, all aluminum. And these are all bar height, so it makes for a good prep area. Rally special here. You got a second TV in here. There's your other bunk. And look at that. Another version, Northwind Fishhouse. Got the ramp down. Look at that. Those tires don't mess around. Talk about a zero about someone who may have some mobility issues. How cool is this? Comes with a little table. Again, bunk, all solid wood. These are awesome. And who do we have here?
We have Eric with Northwind Trailer Group, and thanks you guys for listening today. These trailers that we build, they're all custom, so you can do just about anything you want. This one here that I'm actually in is a 17-foot toy hauler. It has 11 feet of garage space right to here, so you'll be able to get just about anything you have, side by side, motorcycles, whatever, in here. This one is equipped with a 7,000-pound axle. The trailer itself weighs 4,200 pounds, so you can still put some cargo in here. Our tandem axles, those things are 16,000 pounds you can put in them, and the trailers are weighing out right at 8,200 or 6,200 pounds. I'm sorry.
Nice.
Yeah, we got a gooseneck trailer coming hopefully next year, and hopefully we'll see you then too.
And these are some pretty nice cabinets you got here.
Thanks. Yep, my son builds them. They're all knotty alder. They're at a 6% moisture content or better. That tells you that they're not going to shrink or warp. They're already dried out, pretty much the best they can be. So we try to make them to last. They're no paper products. It's all handmade.
Wow.
Yeah, he does a nice job. He does a really nice job.
Well, thank you.
You're welcome.
Definitely check out their website. We'll put a link in the description.
There you go.
All right.
Thanks.
That's pretty cool. And then you just have your whole back open. Down to Sasha's Cycles. They're right across. Let's go inside this one. This is NorthwindFishhouse.com. They make these for ice fishing. So this one in particular is for ice fishing. So they have little holes that are capped off. So you just park it on the ice and then you can fish in style. Ceiling fan, tons of light.
Custom made for Sasha's Cycles.
There you go. Check out that couch. It's a jackknife, I believe. Bunk. Show the bathroom. And all these cabinets are all handmade. This one comes with a little porta potty, and a shower. Hard to video these things. Let's get it like that. But it's all cedar lined. Sasha's Cycles. Refrigerator. There's the specs on it. Cabinet, handmade cabinet by the. Did she say her son?
His son.
His son, yeah. And these chairs are super comfortable. You got a bunk that lowers. Got another little couch over here, and these are all custom made, so you can customize it however you want. If you want tables, if you want large holding tanks. Get a wheel chock for your motorcycle. Lots of storage. And here's their brochure. Their phone number. NorthwindFishhouse.com, and they're out of Minnesota.
All right, guys, thanks for watching. We thought these things were really kind of cool with the adjustable suspension to be able to lower them right down to the ground so you can get things in and out easy. You can also raise them up 18 inches to give you a lot of ground clearance for taking your toys off-road if you have side-by-sides or four-wheelers or something like that. And also they said they can lower them down so they actually get a little bit more wind resistance going down the highway. So you got that adjustability. These things are really cool. Check them out. Check out their website if it's something you're interested in. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, tell us what you think of these, and don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day. Thanks.